rights lawyer known as Femi Falana, San, has filed an application urging the Federal High Court in Abuja to dismiss charges against several underage defendants accused of treason for allegedly participating in the August End Bad Government protest. Falana, representing the defendant in a statement, insists that the President Bola Tinubu-led government has a constitutional obligation to fund their education as part of its duty to children. The defendant filed a notice of preliminary objection calling on the judge to decline jurisdiction in the case and for an order mandating the complainant to pay their school fees till at least senior secondary school or university level. This request, Falana emphasized, is in line with Section 18(3) ABC of the 1999 Constitution, Section 15 of the Child Rights Act, Section 2 of the Universal Basic Education Act, and Article 17 of the African Charter. Falana also argued that the Federal High Court lacks the jurisdiction to try them by virtue of Section 251 of the 1999 Constitution, stressing that under Section 204 of the Child Rights Act, they can only be subjected to the child justice system. He also asserted that these underage defendants cannot be tried with adults in a formal adult court. The application, based on both national and international legal provisions, reinforces the defendant's right to protection under juvenile justice laws, while also stressing the government's duty to fulfill its educational commitment to Nigerians' youth. The statement added, the defendant in the ongoing trial instituted by the federal government against some children for allegedly taking part in the August protest tagged End Bad Governments has filed a notice of preliminary objection asking the learned trial judge to decline jurisdiction in the case and for an order mandating the complainant to pay their school fees till at least senior secondary school or university level in compliance with Section 18(3) ABC of the 1999 Constitution, Section 15 of the Child Rights Act, Section 2 of the Universal Basic Education Act, Article 17 of the African Charter. Meanwhile, the High Court, presided over by Justice Obiora Egu, granted bail to 76 protesters who participated in the End Bad Government's protest held in August 2024. This thing took place yesterday when they appeared in court. So, however, while the court granted each of the defendants 10 million naira bail for the adult protesters, that is the condition for bail, the court demanded the parents of the minors to take their children on bail. However, one of the counsels to the protester, Deji Adenyaju, lamented that stringent bail conditions the court imposed on the protesters who have been in custody since August have led to the taking them back to prison custody. Anyway, my country people, this is the latest thing that happened yesterday. We applaud Femi Falana for trying to put his mouth concerning this. Nigeria is a joke and just a bunch of hypocrites. The government should release these minors. But those minors knows how to loot innocent trader shops, not innocent people and government properties on fire. The government should send them to school when their irresponsible parents, in the name of religion, have a number of children they cannot take care of. This is coming from T.H. Joshua's. Anyway, my country people, since they say it, they happen. We all know that Nigeria of today is really something else. As of yesterday, I heard that dollar is now 2,000 naira per dollar. Not just that alone, things are now increasing and increasing and increasing and increasing. Anyway, my country people, since they say it, they happen. Very dark man have already talked and sent his own message to the so-called Nigerian president, President Tinubu, regarding the way things are going in Nigeria and regarding the detention of the minors. And to the funny part of it, and to the, the worst part of it is that some of the lawyers, one of the lawyers even came out to say that those people are not minors, that the children we saw, that they are not minors. I began to ask this question: what's actually wrong with these people? Or do they try every possible means to obstruct the truth? Or they just they will see yes and they will say that this is not it is no. So many things that happen in Nigeria. May God help us in this world, my country people. They say things that they happen. No. Anyway, what is your opinion regarding this? Femi Falana, thank you for trying to bring light into this. Thank you for, jitting in your own advice and your own strength in order to let these children go. But I thank God that very dark man went to that cell. Because if it happened that very dark man did not go to cell, I wonder what would have been the fate of those children. I wonder how we would have known that there are children in detention since August till now by the so-called Nigerian government. It is a pity
there is a country called Nigeria, and this kind of evil things are happening. They only care about their selfish interests. They care only about themselves. They don't even care about the citizens that they are leading. Anyway, my country people, they say a word is enough for the wise. Pray may nothing carry you go behind bars. Don't do anything that will warrant you to go behind bars. If they are coming to catch you, run away. Don't allow them touch you. Because if they should, before they go do trial on you, for them to know if you are free or not, wahala goes, they say it be like bicycle. Anyway, my country people, I hope you guys are doing great this evening. Have a lovely weekend. I love you guys.